Hey there, future YouTube millionaire. Are you ready to learn how to make money online in 2025 without ever showing your face? Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, this video is for you. I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take to build a profitable YouTube channel. No face, no problem. In this video, we'll cover everything from choosing the right niche to creating faceless content, mastering SEO, leveraging YouTube Shorts, and monetizing your channel. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step to building a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche. A niche is simply the specific topic or category your channel will focus on. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it determines your target audience, the type of content you'll create, and ultimately, how much money you can make. In 2025, some of the most profitable niches include tech tutorials, personal finance, gaming, AI tools, productivity hacks, and self-improvement. These niches are not only popular, but also allow you to create content without showing your face. For example, if you're passionate about technology, you could create tutorials on how to use the latest software or review new gadgets. If you're into personal finance, you could share tips on saving money, investing, or managing debt. The key is to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that has a growing audience. Here's how to find your niche. Brainstorm your interests. Write down topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. For example, if you love gaming, you could create content around game reviews, walkthroughs, or tips and tricks. Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to see what people are searching for in your niche. For instance, if you notice that searches for AI tools for small businesses are trending, that could be a great niche to explore. Analyze competition. Look at other YouTubers in your niche. What type of content are they creating? What's working for them and what's not? This will give you valuable insights into what your audience is looking for. Remember, the goal is to find a niche where you can provide value to your audience while staying behind the scenes. Don't just chase trends, choose something you're passionate about so you can create content consistently and authentically. Step 2. Create faceless content. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to create content without showing your face. The good news is, there are plenty of ways to create engaging, high-quality videos without ever appearing on camera. Here are some popular formats for faceless content. Screen recordings. This is one of the easiest ways to create faceless content. Screen recordings are perfect for tutorials, software reviews, or online courses. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could create a tutorial on how to use a new app or software. Tools like OBS Studio or Camtasia can help you record your screen and edit your videos. Animations. Animated videos are a great way to explain complex topics in a simple and engaging way. You can use tools like Doodly or Animaker to create professional-looking animations without any design skills. For example, if you're in the finance niche, you could create an animated video explaining how compound interest works. Slideshows. Slideshows are another easy way to create faceless content. Combine images, text, and voiceovers to create informative videos. Tools like Canva or PowerPoint can help you create visually appealing slideshows. For example, if you're in the self-improvement niche, you could create a slideshow on 10 habits of highly successful people. Stock footage. If you don't want to create your own visuals, you can use royalty-free stock footage and add your voiceover to explain the topic. Websites like Pexels or Pixabay offer free stock footage that you can use in your videos. The best part about faceless content is that you don't need expensive equipment, just a good microphone and some creativity. Invest in a decent microphone to ensure your audio quality is clear and professional. A popular choice for beginners is the Blue Yeti or Audio-Technica AT2020. Once you've created your content, focus on making it engaging and valuable to your audience. Remember, the goal is to solve problems, entertain, or educate your viewers, not to show your face. For example, if you're creating a tutorial, make sure it's easy to follow and provides actionable steps. If you're creating a review, be honest and thorough in your analysis. Step 3. Master SEO for faceless channels. To get your videos discovered, you need to master SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your videos so they rank higher in YouTube's search results. The higher your videos rank, the more views and subscribers you'll get. Here's how to optimize your faceless channel for SEO. Keyword research. Start by researching keywords in your niche. Keywords are the terms people type into YouTube's search bar. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find high-ranking keywords. For example, if you're in the productivity niche, you might target keywords like Best Productivity Apps 2025 or How to Stay Focused While Working from Home. Optimize your titles. Your video title should include your target keyword and be compelling enough to make people click. For example, instead of productivity tips, use 10 productivity hacks that will change your life in 2025. Write a detailed description. Your video description should include your target keyword and provide a summary of what your video is about. You can also include links to your social media profiles, website, or affiliate products. Use tags. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Include your target keyword and related terms in your tags. For example, if your video is about productivity apps, you might use tags like productivity, time management, and best apps 2025. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see when they come across your video. Use bold text, bright colors, and clear images to make your thumbnail stand out. Tools like Canva or Photoshop can help you create professional-looking thumbnails. By mastering SEO, you'll increase your chances of getting discovered by new viewers and growing your channel. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. Keep experimenting with different keywords, titles, and thumbnails to see what works best for your audience. Step 4. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Short-form content is huge in 2025, and YouTube Shorts is the perfect way to grow your channel fast. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. They appear in a dedicated Shorts feed, making it easier for new viewers to discover your content. Here's how to create engaging YouTube Shorts. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. The first few seconds of your short are crucial. Use bold captions, trending music, or an intriguing question to grab attention. Provide value. Even though shorts are short, they should still provide value to your audience. For example, if you're in the finance niche, you could create a short like 3 money-saving hacks you need to try in 2025. Use trending music. YouTube Shorts allows you to add music to your videos. Use trending songs to increase your chances of going viral. Add a call to action, CTA. Encourage viewers to watch your longer videos or subscribe to your channel. For example, you could say, "Want more tips? Watch the full video on my channel." YouTube Shorts are a great way to reach new audiences and drive traffic to your longer videos. Plus, they're easy to create. You can even repurpose clips from your existing videos into shorts. For example, if you have a longer video on how to save money, you could take a 60-second clip and turn it into a short with captions and music. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once your channel starts growing, it's time to monetize. Here are some ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads on your videos. You'll earn money every time someone watches or clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could review software and include affiliate links in your description. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or templates related to your niche. For example, if you're in the productivity niche, you could create a course on how to double your productivity in 30 days. Sponsorships. Partner with brands that align with your content. For example, if you're in the finance niche, you could partner with a budgeting app and create a sponsored video. The key is to diversify your income streams so you're not relying on just one source of revenue. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Even though you're not showing your face, you can still build a loyal community. Engagement is key to growing your channel and keeping your viewers coming back. Here's how to engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Take the time to reply to comments on your videos. This shows your viewers that you value their feedback. Create polls. Use the community tab to create polls and ask your viewers for their opinions. For example, you could ask, "What topic should I cover next?" Host live streams. Even if you're not showing your face, you can host live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. By building a strong community, you'll increase your chances of getting more views, subscribers, and loyal fans. Remember, YouTube is a social platform. The more you engage with your audience, the more they'll engage with your content. Step 7. Promote your videos. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm, promote your videos on other platforms. Share clips on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest to drive traffic to your channel. For example, you could post a 15-second teaser of your latest video with a caption like, "Want to learn how to save $1,000 in 30 days? Watch the full video on my YouTube channel." You can also join relevant Facebook groups or online communities and share your videos there. Just make sure to follow the group rules and provide value to the community. Step 8. Stay consistent and patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistency. Set a schedule, whether it's one video a week or two, and stick to it. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Stay patient, keep improving your content, and the results will come. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to making money on YouTube in 2025 without showing your face. Whether you're creating screen recordings, animations, or voiceovers, the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. Check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.